Klenner. How did he get nominated?
That's who I voted for.
And Tommy McCall.
All right.
And the winner is Tommy. The other awards for Mr. McCarthy. Scariest looking man wearing fly fishing gear. Most likely to utilize health insurance. When he has it. And the Lifetime Achievement Award for most margaritas consumed. You only got special achievement. The Lifetime Achievement. Just to clarify.
Differentiate.
There'll be no TV later.
If there's a ruckus, Will, you're going to handle it, right?
Yeah. Oh, I get 2 gifts.
Well, you get the ball in there to go with the bat. Oh, wait, I forgot the music.
This is great entertainment.
This is Max music.
And he can dance. The athlete
Okay.
can dance. Oh my God, they loved him.
Okay.
Oh my God, look at him go.
30th floor apartment.
I'm almost done, I promise.
See album
Okay.
Go on the dance floor.
The next Hoover Award. Most likely to drop a flask in public.
Oh, I know that.
The nominees are Lindsay Lohan, Charlie Sheen, Ziggy, Mel Gibson, or Winona Ryder. And I really could have put just about every celebrity here and wouldn't matter. And the winner is Ziggy.
They even fought drunken women.
Ziggy, your other categories. World's biggest hypochondriac. Makes me sick. Most likely to get hit with a foul ball. Most likely to get hit with a low-flying aircraft. Most hips replaced before age 50. And most honest lawyer.
Oh, yeah.
Ziggy's.
Accepting the award for the most dishonest lawyer.
Oh, wait, I gotta do Stacy.
No, I don't know what you wrote. What did he do?
Doing that. I keep giving you
It goes out of order.
I almost hate to hear what you're going to do, Jose.
Oh, he's great. Most likely to order salad with dressing on the side.
Steve.
The nominees are Elaine Bennis, Meg Ryan, and Sally Albright in the movie. Stacy.
I'll have whatever she's having.
Monk. And Felix Unger. Portrait of Specialty, book jacket. Winner is Stacy.
Yay!
Stacy's additional awards are most leathery, most second best Odd Couple fan, world's second best Odd Couple fan, world's second best Seinfeld fan, world's best Led Zeppelin and Foreigner fan. I had to give you that one. And special achievement for Zumba.
Hey, Linda.
Okay. No, I got to go to the next one. I messed up the music. Okay. The Hoover Award for most likely to comment on a wine selection.
Ah, who could that be?
The nominees are Ernest and Julio Gallo. Doughy, of course. Now, the next ones we have Henri Jean-Paul Jacques Chevalier. We also have Jean-Claude Pepe Le Pew Dubois and Jean Valjean Javert Pierre Francois Delabriowski.
I love your French accent.
So these are all wine people. And the winner, of course, is Doris. Good pictures, though. See, you always look good.
Thank you.
The other awards for Doris are Biggest Instigator.
When is an affair an affair? That's the other
There you
one.
go.
The world's only tri-dosha. I don't know what that means, but they know what it means.
Joey, I know what that means.
Most likely to cause controversy during a friendly conversation.
I can't imagine that.
And a special achievement in both wine and coffee snobbery.
Yay.
She also is most likely to cut you a cup of coffee.
Okay, 2 more. We have the Lifetime Achievement Award for pig roasting.
Who could that
Award
be?
for Jose Torres Sr.
That's one of the nominees. With Jose Torres Jr. But don't forget Gabriel Hoff, who has good achievement.
Skills.
Oscar Mayer, Keystone 1 and 2, and Sam the Butcher from the Brady Bunch. And the winner is Jose.
Yeah.
And Jose's other categories are highest pockets. Least likely to return a phone call within 1 month.
He doesn't even return mine. Oh my God.
Most likely to protect us all from evildoers.
Hey, that's true.
And world's smartest Puerto Rican. He's a flying guy with a two.
He said no offense.
No offense, listen.
Right there.
And the last category for
Don't
Jose,
start swinging, honey.
can drink more appletini than any other alpha male.
No.
Doris, he won't start singing until you call him a spick.
Oh.
That's right.
Okay, Jose, you're...
That's it.
Last one.
Broken Nick. Broken Greek. Broken Puerto Rican.
You and the KKK.
Yeah.
I'm glad I have this because I didn't know this guy was going to be here.
Thank all the Southern
Me too.
Baptists.
There you go.
You didn't know Will was going to be here?
Tom gave Noel.
Oh, you did one for Will in absentia.
I did.
Well, I said if you're going to Skype him, please do one for
Yeah.
Then bring your
He said you need the jaws of life to get that wallet open.
a lifetime achievement for most beer consumed.
Oh yeah, Giovanni.
And scotch.
I don't know about beer.
Yeah.
We have Margaret Schultz,
You're making your wife cry. Would you stop?
Norm from Cheers.
Hold on. Let me support this man here. Okay, now go.
Homer Simpson.
Wait, start again.
Hey, Steve, you're pitching a 10.
And
Go ahead.
Big James. And the winner's Will. No, actually, the winner is Wilbur Onestone.
Wilbur, what's
You're killing me.
It only
Oh my
took
God.
2 hours and 17 minutes for
What can you read it?
Wait.
Well,
What
I
time
gotta
is
get
it?
this back. This is gonna be good.
Additional Hoover Awards. World's biggest fucking dog lover. Most likely to join Hell's fucking Angels.
Steve, you want my glass?
I got it. Special fucking achievement for playing fucking Mafia Wars. Most likely to say fucking in every fucking sentence. That's great.
All right, who had the 3 hour, 12-minute open before I start crying?
I'm sorry, guys.
Oh, you are the best.
Love you all very
You're
much.
awesome.
And I wanted to tell you before.
Now get into it, please.
So,
Oh, you guys did it.
so who gets the Hoover Award for worst MC ever? Is it Rain Man? Dick Clark post-stroke?
Oh my God.
Richie Zite? Dr. Ruth West? Or Adolf Hitler?
He doesn't wear the tie.
Do we get to vote now?
Special Achievement Award, Steve?
Oh, as a matter of fact, there are a couple. Most likely to wear a stupid hat to any occasion.
We'll go with the Chinese afterwards.
Most rum and cokes consumed by a Jew.
What?
Most rum and cokes. Most obnoxious man with loveliest woman award. And most likely to say, I'm so wasted, I gotta sit down. And then other acknowledgement for Kathy.
Did all this. She's
Most tolerant woman ever award.
yeah.
Best Old People's Party documenter. And most chill. There we go.
Yeah.
That was excellent group.
Oh, and special request, there's a Sharpie going around. We want you to all sign this for Richie.
Sign it.